Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Size Leg RC. Today we are joined by the boy. So as you can see, today we've got Harry's HPI drift car out, which is the Fail Crew drift car E10. We've also got the Tamiya lunchbox out just for a bit of bashing about, really, because it's been a while since I had it out. And I'm going to chuck in a tiny little bit of footage of me chewing up the spur gear on the Absima. We're just driving around circles, ain't ya? No, just try and drift round the lunchbox. All right, is this you trying to drift? Might be the weight of that GoPro. Might be the weight of the GoPro. I'm not filming you. Trust me. How we set it away over here.
Remember, remember it doesn't steer when it's got no wheels on the floor, and it's only rear-wheel drive.
So me and the boy had fun. His sister actually joined us on this occasion. However, we did try and convince her to have a go at the RCs, but she's too cool. She's way too cool for that.
The lunchbox is only running on a NIM battery with a 15-turn motor. Oh. But it's such a fun car. That's right. We'll rescue it. Here's the walk of shame. Because once again, someone can't drive the lunchbox. Oh! What are you? Loser. Oh!